Hello friends, once again welcome back to my another video. In this video you will see old jeans art and craft, recycling of old jeans. Old jeans art is a beautiful and creative way to turn our worn out denim into something new, useful and stylish. Instead of throwing away old jeans, this art form gives them a second life through imagination and handmade creativity. Denim fabric is strong, durable and full of texture, which makes it perfect for many kinds of art and craft projects. In old jeans art, every piece of denim tells a story. The faded areas, seams, pockets, buttons and stitches all add character to the final design. Jeans can be cut, layered, braided, stitched or glued to create wall art. Bags, cushion covers, rugs, table mats, flower pots, storage baskets and even fashion accessories. Each project looks unique because no two jeans ever the same. This type of art is also eco-friendly and budget-friendly. It promotes recycling and reduces waste, making it a great choice for sustainable living. Old jeans art teaches us that creativity doesn't need expensive materials. With simple tools and basic crafting skills, anyone can create something beautiful at home. Another special quality of denim art is its rustic and modern look. Jeans art fits perfectly with boho, farmhouse and modern home decor styles. The deep blue shades, light washes and natural frayed edges with a handmade and artistic feel that cannot be found in factory-made items. Old jeans art is loved by DIY lovers because it allows full freedom of design. You can mix denim with lace, crochet, beads, buttons or fabric scraps to add more beauty. It is also a great way to involve kids and beginners in crafting, as many projects do not require sewing. Most importantly, old jeans art carries an emotional value. It transforms memories into art, whether the jeans belonged to a loved one or were part of everyday life. Turning something old into something meaningful brings joy, satisfaction and pride. Old jeans art is not just recycling, it is a celebration of creativity, sustainability and handmade beauty. It shows that even simple forgotten items can become art when touched by creative hands. These are very beautiful and very pretty art. If you watch my full video till end, you will see a very beautiful and very unique ideas. If you like this video, then please press the like I button and don't forget to share with your friends and family members. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Take care of yourself. Love you all. Bye bye.